Trends of linguistics in India. In this regard, the researcher made a research in current trends in linguistics in India. So it was found in the study that the main concern is on information technology for the development of linguistic research. So it also gives passing remarks on the current status of languages and attitudes of speakers in Indian society and politics. Obviously, we all know that there are a lot of languages being spoken by India. It's a very multilinguistic society. So depicting the linguistic scenario of India, Jaha described that there are over 1,000 languages with well-defined grammars of 5 language families, namely Indo-Aryan, Dravidian, Austro-Asiatic, Tibeto-Burman, and Indo-Manese. So these are the main families, and in these families there are hundreds of languages. So it's a very multilinguistic and rich country for linguistic point of view. So according to the claim of the writer, considerable development in the field of information technology enabled India to use IT for linguistic purposes by preserving data of the dying languages. So the development of IT in India has enabled the linguists to preserve the dying languages. So that's a very remarkable thing. Different public and private organizations, universities and IT institutes are constantly working for finding ways to use IT in linguistics, according to the writer. So there is a concern and there is awareness for preserving the languages, dying languages, and the literate people concerned with language are looking for ways to preserve these things so that they could understand linguistics, understand the language better. Indian organizations are working for creation and analysis of Corpora, integration of language technology into curricula. They've been using it for teaching purposes, development of speech databases, speech engines, machine translation, speech-to-speech translation, and many other internet-related programs. So we can see that the concern for the preservation of data is found in India, and people are concerned. They want that they could benefit from it, and they are using modern technology to benefit from it in keeping the data active and alive, and using all the machines for teaching purposes and for the development of linguistics in their country. The researcher concludes with a comment on the issue of funding in research. Obviously, it's a very important aspect. So according to the research, the funding provided by the government of India is enough for the development of various research projects. Obviously, it is not possible unless funds are provided to the scholars, researchers. So they are being provided to IT professionals as well as to linguists. So however, the writer feels that private organizations, private sectors also need to integrate their effort with the government's effort, and they should also give funding for the development of linguistics in their country.